It's Partha Session, and today we are going to discuss about analyzing student academic performance using data analytics techniques. So in this PP presentation, I'm going to discuss about data set overview, initial observations, pre-processing steps, feature engineering, dimensionality reductions, PCA visualizations, outliner detection, insights of outliner, statistical trends, key findings and recommendations, and conclusion as well. So, data overview of data set, student academic marks and programs. It was derived from Kaggle, which is widely used for web hosting number of information sets for analysis and experimentation. This full database that includes 2,994 student records with 11 crucial characteristics deliver an outstanding start to looking up academic success. Specific features include classification data like set enrollments, but class types and grade level together with figures like grade numbers. So, initial observations. We executed an examination of information set to understand its structure as well as its content earlier than kicking off the pre-processing process. A key findings is the vast variety of varieties that vary compared to outstanding accomplishments to domains demonstrating the challenges as well. The distinction makes it possible for us to investigate for professional distinction between different group of students classified as category or components that pertain to program enrollments, but these as EBIT and SPIT are represented in the data collection pre-processing steps. The dataset underwent a number of pre-processing procedures in order to be ready for insightful analysis. The data collections values that were lacking were very initial things we addressed. Given the type of data, means as well mode values that had been employed to calculate omitting information, especially in program related columns of cells. Feature engineering. Enhancing the forecasting capability of a dataset requires the creation of features. We proposed concepts related to interaction across grades and participation in this program for this analysis. The consequences of these programs on outcomes was measured through multiplying the values by program elements that include evidence that the consequences of specific activities of school performance may be investigated in more information. Dimensional reductions, principal component analysis, PCA, and T-distributed stochastic neighbor embedding are two types of methods for decreasing dimensionality that were implemented for reducing the extensive dimension of data set while still retaining crucial details. Those methods aid towards the dataset's simplicity while organizes graphical representation and interpretations. PCA visualization. The high dimensional data set is represented in two dimensions by the PCA visualization, which fosters trend, the identifications and interpretation. The main parts responsible for this, for the greatest percentage of variability in results are illustrated in this plot. Statistical trends. We launched with an examination of the dataset statistics by examining the general grade transportation, which demonstrates the distribution. That is typical indication that the fact that a large number of students accomplish in middle school with smaller percentage at the edge of low or high grades. A typical learning performance shifts across the collection of data is given by a normal supply. Key findings. The study of results of students and set data set produced a variety of essential conclusions. First, as seems common with high school related information, the split of grades for each student was average. This means that a smaller percentage of pupils score both low and high extremes as a large number of students accomplish average rates. So recommendations, various key recommendations can be made improving academic programs and student outcomes based on the data information. First, careful attempts need to be made to examine and improve the execution uh, of courses presently not conducting up to par. It may be viable to bridge deficiencies in performance and enhance overall achievement for students through utilizing specific approaches. Schemes like SPED and that disclosed recognized eighth grade variabilities. Thank you.